Dancehall artist Skillibeng is gearing up to release his new EP dubbed Mr. Universe. The announcement was made recently on social media, and fans are eagerly awaiting the release of the new project. Now, the new EP comes on the heels of his new deal with RCA Records in March. The recording artist's music will now be licensed by RCA Records under the Sony Music Entertainment Group. In 2021, Skillibeng dropped his Crocodile Teeth LP, which was met with rave reviews. The compilation featured 12 songs, executively produced by industry veteran Johnny Wonder. Now, following the release of Mr. Universe EP, Skillibeng will head out on his first U.S. tour. The tour will kick off on May 22 and will see him making stops in Miami, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and New York City. The hardcore dancehall artist drew a massive crowd at his performance held at the O2 Forum in London in early April. Now, still on some upcoming tour dates, dancehall artist Spice is scheduled to embark on a tour. The Grammy-nominated artist is gearing up to head out to Houston on May 30 before making stops in the UK, Canada, Europe, Trinidad and Tobago. Spice is also booked to appear on Reggae Sumfest on July 22. In April, she was honored with the Black Woman in Media Award. The celebration was held by Selena Hill, digital deputy editor at Black Enterprise. The private event was held at a historic venue in Las Vegas, Nevada, during the weekend of the 64th Grammy Awards. On the international scene, the Kardashian-Jenners have won a defamation case brought against them by model and former fiancé of Rob Kardashian, Blac Chyna. Chyna had claimed the reality stars had ruined her career by convincing TV bosses to cancel her show, Rob and Chyna. On Monday, a Los Angeles jury found that Kim Kardashian and her family did not unjustly harm the career of Chyna. It is reported that Chyna will appeal the verdict in her defamation case against the family. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.